All right, we're given a problem that says our test statistic, our Z test statistic, is 1.34. And we're looking at a claim that some proportion is greater than 0.8, and our critical value, our significance level, to find the critical value, is given at 0.1. So let's understand what all this means, and then we're going to use this table to look it up. I always tell students to draw a picture, draw a picture, draw a picture, because that helps you understand what all this information means. Remember, we're standardizing our normal distribution, which means the mean is at 0. Our Z value is greater than 0, so it's just somewhere over here to the right, and that's our 1.34. So what we're trying to figure out, is that too far away? Is that in our critical region? Okay, so what we have to look up in our table is to see what this probability area is right here. So this probability I find in the actual Z table. How do I find this probability? By that alpha. Notice how this table is set up is that I would look to the right to find the 0.1. Well, the entire table adds up to 1 or 100%. So what I'm looking for is actually the value in the table that is closest to 0.9. Okay, remember that the entire table adds up to 1, or if you think in percentages, 100%. And in this case, I'm looking at a tenth or 10%, however you want to think about it. So if I look in the table for the value that is closest to 0.9, I look in the table, and what I find is the closest value looks like this 0.897, or I'm sorry, I wasn't zoomed in enough to read it, 0.8997, which I then read the Z value would be 1.28. Okay, what does that mean in my picture? That says that, and we can just add, 1.28 would be here to the left. So in other words, this 1.34 is too far away from my actual critical value. Okay, so this is my critical value. That means everything to the right of this shaded is 0.1. So when you use this table, this is why I say draw a picture, because you're looking to the right. Why am I looking to the right? Because of this information that was given right here. If this would have said less than 0.8, then I would have been looking up the area to the left, and this is what I would have cared about.